Hey guys, welcome back to the Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to talk about this new coupon from Harbor Freight. You save $5 off 50 or $10 off 100. This particular coupon expires September 15th. However, this will be relevant if they ever release a similar coupon, another coupon of the same terms. I'm hoping we can figure out the best way to maximize the value of this coupon. And there's a lot of moving parts because there's this coupon, there's the 20% coupon, there's the free item coupons, there's item-specific coupons, and we have to make them all mesh together so that one doesn't cancel the other out and that we're getting the best value possible. So first, let's read the fine print on this thing. It says, Limit 1 coupon per customer per day, valid in-store and online. Save $5 off any qualifying purchase of $50 or $10 off any qualifying purchase of $100 or more after applying any other applicable offers or discounts. Discount applies only on regular priced items when redeemed online and cannot be used with any of the following: Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plan, or gift card purchases. Not valid on prior purchases, transfers. Original coupon must be presented. Which the original coupon must be presented thing, they show it online, like on their website. It's right on their homepage, so you can, whatever. Don't care about that. Expires on the 15th. So if your order total is over $50, you're taking $5 off. If your order total is over $100, you're taking $10 off. But here's the thing. On the surface, I mean, it's only a 10% discount, but you're looking at items that are normally excluded from a 20% off coupon. Because if you could use a 20% off coupon, it's a higher value. You would use that instead. So we're looking at like a Hercules drill. You can't use a 20% coupon on that. But the thing is, they do have specific item coupons for that, and it probably takes $10 or more off anyway. So that wouldn't really help you unless you can use this and the specific item coupon. But what if the item you want isn't an excluded item? It's over $100, but you can use a coupon for it. So we're going to go over just a couple of scenarios to show you how this coupon applies and how you can maybe get the most out of it. So I want to show you the cart that I've been just playing with. And obviously it may be a little bit different in store. It did have that line in the fine print about the one term only applying when purchasing online. But this is what I've found out so far. You see in my cart I have the Predator engine, which is excluded from 20% coupons, but has a specific item coupon. So when the specific item coupon is applied, it brings it down to $99. I also added the Ultra Bright LED portable flashlight for $3.99, and we have a free item coupon for that. Whatever purchase you're going to make, you just have to keep in mind, for every coupon you have to have an item. If you have 5 coupons, you need 5 items. If you have 4 coupons, you need 4 items. Because a coupon is going to need to attach to each individual item. So, let's look at this. The first thing I'm going to do is attach. So this is the item coupon code for the for the engine, and it should bring it down to $99 for the price of the engine. Okay, so now the engine is $99. Now, if we want to use this new coupon, that is the $10 off, it's only going to take off $3.99. Even though it's $10 off $100, you're already using a coupon on that. So, let's just watch. See, we're down to $99.99, the same price as that. So it took $3.99 off. So although the price of the engine is counted towards the $100 total, even with the coupon applied to it, you won't get an additional discount off of that. So let's go ahead and clear off the $10 off coupon, and I'm going to add another item here. So here for $9.99 we have the Pittsburgh Pro color-coded sockets. We're going to add that to our cart. Now we're going to add the new coupon. And you can see we're getting all the way down to $103.97. So it took the entire amount off of the sockets here and a couple of cents from the LED light, but we have a free item coupon for the LED light. So I'm going to add that now. And we're back down to just the price of the engine, $99.99. So you can see we have an item-specific coupon on the engine, we have a free item coupon on the LED light, and then the $10 off coupon is attaching to these sockets here, and that's the coupon code right here. So we're able to use all of them. Now here's the other thing, a 20% coupon in this scenario actually hurts you. It'll make your total go up. So let me apply a 20% coupon. You can see the subtotal right now, $99.99. And now it went all the way up to $107.98 because we're still getting the puck light for free, but now instead of taking the $10 off, we're just getting 20% off of the Pittsburgh sockets. So really have a plan and know what you're doing when you're making your purchase, because depending how many coupons you have and how many items you have, you can actually hurt yourself with that 20% coupon. So as far as I'm concerned, your best way to use this coupon is if you're going to spend $100, get yourself an additional free item for $10. If you're going to spend $50, get yourself an additional item, a free item for up to $5, in addition to what other free coupon you're already going to get. Because like we mentioned Hercules with the drill earlier, if it has an item-specific coupon already, then you're not going to get an additional discount. The cost of the Hercules will go towards your $100 total to use this coupon, but you're not going to get more off of that Hercules item. Now, if it's a Hercules item that doesn't have an item-specific coupon anyway, yeah, you can save $10 and that's great. But most of those tools, sooner or later, and probably more sooner, are going to have item-specific coupons. It's just what's the value of them going to be. I can't remember now if it's the impact driver or the drill, but there's a Hercules priced right now for $89.99, and then the item coupon is for $87.99, so it's only a $2 discount. In that case, get yourself over $100, so then you can take $10 off. So I hope this is helpful. It's a lot of moving parts, man. So many different coupons and how they interact with each other. But I think the main things to remember is you need a coupon, or you need an item for every coupon that you're going to use. If an item-specific coupon is already being used, you will not receive an additional discount on that item. And I feel like the best way to use it is to get yourself a free item for up to the value of your $5 or $10 coupon. And that's just the way I will be using it when I go to Harbor Freight. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like. Check out my website, struggleville.net. We have all the Harbor Freight coupons over there on top of the tool deals posted every single day. Thanks, guys.